do you know when we say algebraic fraction is what? Undefined. What exactly we are expected to do? This is a question for WASSCE 2024 September. We have to find the values of x for which 2x minus 1 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1 is not defined. If it is not defined, simply means does not exist, in the sense that your denominator will become what? 0. A fraction with 0 denominator is undefined. So right away, we are looking for a value of x that when you put it here by substitution, it will make the whole of this to become what? 0. So what you will do is to set the denominator to be 0. So we say that for 2x minus 1 divided by x squared plus 2x to be undefined, so we can set the denominator to 0, right? Meaning your x squared plus 2x plus 1 to become 0, and find the values of x that will make the whole thing to become what? 0. Now, if you look at this carefully from our previous tutorials that we have done on quadratic expression, you can see that this is a quadratic perfect trinomial, because half of this term equals to the square of the constant term. So it is directly going to be perfect. But let's solve it. We find the factors of 1. When we add, we get what? 2. Obviously, factors of 1 will be 1 times 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are going to have x plus 1, x plus 1 equals to 0. Why so? The 1, 1 are the factors. When we solve, you get a 1, 1 as factors. If you expand, you come back to the top. So this simply means that from here, we are going to have twice of that. And that means if you pick x plus 1 equals to 0, it will mean x will become negative 1 in the first instance and in the second instance. So that will be x equals to minus 1 twice, because it's a perfect trinomial. So give you two answers which are going to be the same. So we look into this and see that D become the best option for this. If you put negative 1 here, it will make the denominator to become what? 0. And that will make this to become undefined. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.